welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve the garage box puzzle. This puzzle was designed and made by Theo Gehring and Simon Havinga. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 9 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all 4 parts inside the frame and then lock it with the door. This puzzle requires a little bit of pre-assembling before you start solving it, since this lid comes on the side. You have to add some glue, put it here, and then you're ready to solve the puzzle. As you can see, there are 4 parts here, but there is an interesting detail to this puzzle. This lid that locks the door. When it is opened, it occupies quite a lot of space inside, and if you just count voxels, you will see that there is not enough space to fit all 4 parts when the lid is opened. But when you close it, you will find that the space that was occupied by the lid now is free, and you can put any of the parts there. But how to do that when the lid is opened? So you have to find the correct way how to put everything inside and then lock the lid. It will be quite a challenge, since Theo Gehring and Simon Havinga create amazing puzzles, quite difficult puzzles. They always have some kind of interesting twist, and the garage box is one of the hardest puzzles designed by both of these designers. If you like the garage box puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca, and if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. So first of all, I'm gonna start with these 2 pieces. I put them together like so. Now we have to put them inside. It looks like there is not enough space to fit them inside because of the lid, but if you put this part inside first, rotate, and you will be able to put 2 parts inside, but they don't go all the way down. You just have to lift the door, and then you will be able to put 2 parts to the right side. The next one will be this piece, and you have to put it inside like so. And now you have to put it right here on the bottom. But how to do that with the lid opened? You have to close the lid. Now you have to find a way how to drop this piece down, since when you move the puzzle, all the pieces move, but actually a little bit of spinning helps here. Sometimes it doesn't help, but let's try. I'm afraid that since this part is not glued in my puzzle, it can come out when I spin it. Oh, finally, after playing with it for a while, I was able to drop this piece down, and now as you can see, the lid doesn't go all the way in, since the way is blocked by one of the pieces. And now you can grab the last one, the 4th piece, put it right here, and lock the door of the garage. And that is the solution of the puzzle. To remove all the parts from the puzzle, you have to open the lid, remove the first piece, then close the lid, put this piece up to the right, close the door, open the door, and then you can remove this piece, and then you can remove 2 other parts as well, but you have to open the door a little bit and remove the last 2 pieces. And that was the solution of the garage box puzzle. As you can see, quite a difficult solution, not so easy to find how to solve it, since you have not only to put parts inside, but also have to move the lid constantly. And that sneaky piece that you have to drop down, it may take you a while before you will be able to put it in the correct spot. So that was the garage box puzzle. If you like this one and you want to try some other amazing puzzles designed by Theo Gehring and Simon Havinga, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.